Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, let us journey together on how to create stunning presentations instantly with AI. I have this presentation to finish, and I hate the idea of creating this presentation. What if AI can do that for me entirely? Wouldn't that be amazing? Well, actually, it can. Do you want me to show you how? Because you will never present anything else again without AI. Come with me. So guys, AI is getting wilder and wilder. I mean, every single day, I discover new tools that do miracles. Some people see it as a threat. I see it as a great opportunity. Something that allows me to do more stuff in less time. Whether we like it or not, AI is not coming back. It is like a train, and it's speeding up, and we really don't know where it's heading. So what I like doing is getting involved, learning stuff about AI, trying new tools, and making them an ally rather than an enemy. So without further ado, let me show you how AI can do another miracle for us, allowing us to create an entire presentation from A to Z. I think the script, creating the outline, designing the slides, then finding unique images for us for an amazing result. So, Tome is a totally new tool, and it's totally free, at least for now. And it allows you to create beautiful presentations like the one that you see right here with just a single prompt. Now, like with everything, the quality of the input plays a huge role in the output quality. So the more you train yourself to provide detailed prompts, as detailed as possible, with all the information you want to include for a great presentation, the better the presentation will be. Let us try it ourselves, and you can judge whether this is a great or not. I believe it is. So, let us go. Click here where it says try, and I have an account already, so I'm going to sign in. Okay, here we are in my dashboard. You can see what I have created, presentations that have been shared with me through a link, recent prompts that I have used to create presentations. You can even invite teammates if you want to collaborate. But today, we are going to create a new presentation. So, you can go right up here and click on create a new presentation, and you can ask it to create an entire presentation or just an outline, or even just the script of the presentation. But I am going all the way for the entire presentation. You can choose the style of the images you want to generate, and let us try a specific prompt. I will go with something like this, so it really just depends on you. I'm giving AI all the information I want to include in the presentation, so let's hit enter. Then relax and let it do the work for you. On the left, it is creating the outline, individual slides, page after page. We'll just wait for a minute while my presentation is being finalized. So guys, check it out. This is the first draft, the outline, first slide. Check this out. The first slide was created with AI as well. It's the best ever, right? And you can do that for every single paragraph. Even if you want just a piece of it, like this sentence alone, hit rewrite. And within seconds, you have a rewritten sentence. You got the idea. And here on the right, you have another great toolbar. You can change the theme, choose from pre-made themes like Ocean Mosh, customize the colors, maybe go closer to your brand colors, choose the fonts, whatever you want. You can even save the theme with your brand name to keep a consistent look in your next presentation. You can record yourself talking to the camera, adding a specific slide with you explaining something if you want. Then, you can record it explaining the specific slide. You see that this slide can become interactive and people can watch you talk over the slide with the explanations that you want to give. You can do that slide by slide if you want. And Tome is not stopping here. You can add text, images, videos. You can even upload your own videos, change text and images, and even add external content like tweets or websites. It is incredible, right? And finally, the feature that I love so much, if you go to this option right here, you have access to DALL-E, the OpenAI art generator. You can give any prompt like dogs, let it search, and boom, you have instantly new images to choose from. It is incredible. So, you see how versatile and powerful this tool is? You can create a presentation in no time, customize it to your liking, add your voice, and even add external content. And when you are done, you can share it within anyone by copying the link. So guys, that was it. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments how you find this tool. If you create any presentations, please share them with me by dropping the link in the comments section. Enjoy the video, hit like, and subscribe to the channel to find out more videos like this. See you in our next video.